Hi friends, let us discuss some thumb rule for solar installations. So the first one is how to calculate the area required. Normally 100 square feet can fit in 1 kilowatt of panel. 1 kilowatt means 1000 watts. Next one, what should be the angle of tilt of the solar panel? So whatever is the latitude angle of your area where you are supposed to install a panel, that would be the angle of tilt for the solar panel. DC to AC conversion. Normally the solar panel generates the power in DC. So there are some losses to convert the DC to AC. So exactly what we will get, if we install 1 kilowatt of DC power, then we will get 1 kilowatt of DC divided by 1.1, that is 0.9 kilowatt of AC power. What would be the units of energy generated with 1 kilowatt of panel? So normally 1 kilowatt of panel generates 1100 to 1600 kilowatt of energy per year and 3 to 4 kWh per day. Thanks for watching and stay tuned if you want to learn some new videos.